PCCS friends. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about how to use Read and Write for Google with Seesaw. As you can see, I've logged into Seesaw at app.seesaw.me and I'm at my journal page. I want to talk to you a little bit about how Read and Write for Google can help you when you're completing activities for your teacher. So I'm going to click on my activities page and you see that I have got an activity to complete. I'm going to open that activity and I see a couple things. Fortunately, with this activity, there is some in-app instructions. So if I needed to hear the instructions for this activity, I can just hit play.
Add describing words to your picture to tell about yourself.
I can pause those instructions, but sometimes you might find yourself in an activity that does not have audio instructions already included. And in that instance, you can use Read and Write for Google. That's an extension that all PCCS students have, and you'll find it right up there at the top with right next to the URL bar. It is a little purple puzzle piece, and in order to get it to work on this web page, I just need to click on it. As you can see when I click, it opens the Read and Write for Google web toolbar, and I can grab it down here at the end on the left, and I can drag it to the bottom, or I can leave it at the top. That's totally up to you. But right now I'm going to tell you 3 different tools on this toolbar that can help you read the instructions. And I'll talk about reading with my ears versus reading with my eyes. So the first tool is one over here on the left, and it's called Hover Speech. When I turn that on, I'm going to see a purple bar at the bottom, so I know that it's on. And then wherever I move my mouse, it's going to read those instructions. So I will show you how it works. I'm going to turn it on and move it, and it will start reading.
Add describing words to your picture to tell about.
I can pause it with the pause button, and I can restart it by hitting pause again.
Describe yourself. Add describing words to your picture to waiting for response.
You see
Add
it moves
response. Assigned on June 20th at 11:20.
Wherever I put my mouse. There's another way to do this as well. If you just need to hear number 3 on the instructions, you can highlight just that instruction and use these 3 tools: play, pause, and stop. Again, I'm going to hit play.
Tap the label tool to add labels or drawing.
I can pause it, and then if I hit stop, I'll have to highlight again. The last tool I want to talk to you about is a tool called Screenshot Reader, and that is this little tool right here. The way this works is it helps you read anything on your screen that normally wouldn't be read with the screen reader. So I can turn it on, and you see that it turns my mouse into a little plus sign. Now I can use that cursor with my mouse and kind of lasso around a word I want read. And it will read those words as well.
7 refresh.
If I want to listen to it again, I hit this little
7 refresh.
triangle, and then
7 refresh.
Can get rid of
7
it.
refresh.
Or not, because it's so little. So again, that works by clicking on, turning my tool into a little plus sign, and then scrolling around or lassoing around some words I'd like read. That
Assigned on June 20th at 11:24.
That is how you use the Read and Write for Google toolbar when you're in Seesaw. Have a great day.